The inspiration for the track Dirt and Soul came through me jamming on this piano right here. These are the chords that I played. And those chords just set the whole song off, and I feel they're the foundation of the track, the soul in the track. So my name's Clive from Dr. Mika, and Dr. Mika is the artist, myself, but also it's a live band and a production outfit. I've set my goals to make great albums, great music, always keeping my quality really high, make music that I love. My music's turned up in a variety of places. It's quite strange because I don't always know where the music's being played, and there's this kind of magic thing that happens where my royalty statement turns up every 3 months from the PRS, and it just outlines every play that I've had on every format and medium across the world, from Spotify to in some nightclub in Bulgaria. And that's something that I could never do myself. None of us could, I don't think. We'd never be able to keep track of that stuff. So there's some sort of wizardry going on somewhere that PRS are doing.
We collect the royalties for our songwriter and publisher members. They live off their copyright, and that's so we're a major source of income for most of them. We have 125,000 members. Just to give you an idea of scale, the year that I joined, we processed 15 million uses of music. And this year, I'm expecting it to be well over 6, if not 8 trillion uses of music reported to us. We know whose music is being listened to on Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, in which country, so that we can actually pay them their dues. It's a huge job.
For us to be able to analyse and understand and make sure that we accurately get the right data to the right people and the right payments, we use Azure Data Lakes and Azure Data Warehouse to be able to capture and validate the data. Then we use Microsoft Power BI as a way of adding value to it and then presenting it. With Azure Cloud, it allows us to be able to scale up very, very quickly when we need it, and then we don't scale down. And that allows us to be able to manage the cost profile based on the demands of our members.
It used to take us, in the old system, 20 days to load and match a Spotify file. 20 days. We're now down to 11 minutes, and that's the power of the cloud.
I find that the best music is made from the heart. And so as long as I can keep doing that, then I know that the PRS are going to do their side, which is to collect money for that. Unless I make songs that resonate with people, they're not going to get played, and I'm not going to get paid. But if I do my part, then they will collect that money. And I feel assured that every time my music is played on the radio, I look through and I can see that it's collected. It's pretty faultless. And there's no feeling like a nice big PRS check. I love that feeling, you know, it's happy days.